cannot be shared value unless we achieve inclusivity. So digitization, as you ask, can never be one where we progress by leaving the foundation of the pyramid behind. It has to be inclusive because the economy lives at the foundation of the pyramid. So that's a big takeout for me. You know, His Excellency Paul Kagame said, progress cannot be at the expense of the most vulnerable. And so if you have to find the link between digitization and shared value, one is an enabler of the other to make sure that as companies digitize, as we go through digital transformation, we're coming along with people with us. I'll give you an example. In ABSA Kenya and across the ABSA group on the continent, yet we are digitizing, but we're ensuring that people are not just financially included, but they're accessing financial services. Because you can have digital platforms for people to be included in the financial system, but if they can't access credit or insurance or payments, then what's the use of that digitization? So we are measuring financial access, and with that we've seen tremendous increase with an innovation we came up in Kenya, where we implemented a mobile wallet, Timiza. It has got now 5 million people included in the financial system. And we're trying to find out how those people access financial services to make sure that as we drive digitization, more inclusivity goes up, and we end up in a space where we're coming along with people. In other words, prosperity of value is shared. And this is a conversation that we'll continue to have as industry players.
Right. I mean, obviously, you cannot talk about financial inclusion without talking about mobile money, which has played a very key role, not just in Kenya, but here in Africa. You alluded to, your role in, mobile money innovations, but could you expound more on your role when it comes to mobile money innovations in Kenya?
So Kenya, 50 million people, 65 million mobile devices, right? So more mobile devices than the people in the country. So you've got to look at that infrastructure and ask yourself as a financial services player, what do you do with it? And anyone who is not thinking about financial services through the mobile, they're building a business that is A, is not sustainable, and 2, is backward integrated. If people want to find services as easily and as possible on mobile financial devices. So it's not a singular challenge for ABSA, it's actually the entire industry. And so as I said, we developed a proposition that in the first 100 days, there were 1 million people connected to that platform on mobile money. You can send payments for free. You don't have to pay. You can pay. When you're paying with your own finances, why do you need to pay to pay? You can send money across for free. You can save, earn interest rate. You can buy insurance at the micro level, less than $50. So we've also moved along with this micro financial services where you don't need long-term structured products, filling forms for a term loan, or buying insurance, looking at pages and pages for a long life insurance or car insurance. That micro financial services, when you bring those together with mobile technology, you reach more people. You include more people in the system. And it's good for business.